Madeline, what does Daddy ride?
Ducati.
A Ducati. And what does Papa ride?
Beemer.
A Beemer. And what does Uncle Kris ride?
Suzuki.
A Suzuki. What are you looking at, Madeline? Can you show?
Whoa.
Whoa. What are those? What are you looking at?
Tell Mommy, brake pads.
Brake pads.
Maddie, can you look at this?
Scintillating.
Tell Mommy, what kind of bike is this?
Daddy.
That's a daddy? What kind of bike is that?
Rabbit.
What?
Papa.
What does Papa ride?
Beemer.
Beemer. What does Daddy ride?
Ducati.
Ducati. What does Uncle Kris ride?
Suzuki.
Zuki.
Uh-oh.
Do you like motorcycles, Madeline?
Yes.
Are you gonna worry your mom and ride him someday?
What kind of bike is that?
Bowden.
What color?
Banana.
Okay, bye-bye.